Hello, guys. You're arriving on time, right? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, if my voice is clear, just click 1. Click number 1 if you can hear me. Hello, guys. I'm happy to see you again. Oh, fine. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine. Yes, you can hear me, right? Okay, okay. So, let's first talk about something else before our class, okay? We know if you buy some coins or you heard something about blockchain, you may heard about metaverse these days, right? Have you guys heard about metaverse these days? It's very popular, I think. No one won't know this, I think, because Facebook has changed its name into Meta, right? So I think it's a very popular information, and this make our crypto world burning. So I think before we start, oh sorry, before we start, we may talk about something about metaverse. I think most of you guys don't know what exactly is metaverse is, right? So someone asked me, "Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Why have I have to invest in metaverse? And what is metaverse?" So today, before class, I will give some information and my own opinion about the metaverse and why we use it. Okay, let's start. Oh, wait, mask. Oh, sorry, you are alone. Yeah. You know, we have some diseases here, global, so I have to wear it. No, it's my hobby. It's my hobby. Don't care about this. We're learning knowledge. So let's start. Oh, you don't know, you don't want to see my face because I'm a joker. Yep. Okay, so as an investor who participate in blockchain and NFT project earlier, the most frequently asked question is probably about the concept of metaverse that turned out to be all over the world. I will quote some definitions of metaverse pioneers. For example, the prospectus of the metaverse game Roblox. You know Roblox? Anyone knows Roblox? Okay, I'll give you some pages to Roblox and let you know what is Roblox. Wait a minute here. Okay. So you guys see here? Oh, sorry. Sorry, maybe my network is not very good. So the picture cannot be covered. So, but you have to know that Roblox is a game platform, and all of the game is on chain and it's about metaverse. And so I think Roblox is the head of the metaverse now. He said to become a metaverse, at least 8 key characters must be met. 1, identity. And 2, friends. You have to have friends. You have to have identity. 3rd, immersion. Immersion is very important, I think. And anytime and anywhere. This is everywhere and anytime. And 4th, oh, it's 5th, diversity. Yeah, diversity. And low latency. I think if you guys who play online games, you should know that low latency is very important, right? It's very, very important. If you have a very high latency and you can have a bad feelings to play, right? So it's very important. And the next two factors is economy and civilization. Oh, it's very hard to you if you think, oh, why we mention about economy and anything business about economy? But I will tell you, economy is the most important, I think, to a metaverse. And the metaverse is a career of human beings in the digital age. And the unique and digital network is divided into three levels: digital twin, digital natives, and virtual reality. This is I think metaverse is a concept of comes from avalanche. Maybe some of you heard about this theory, avalanche, and it's logical and philosophical thinking, right? And I won't say detail about this. And you can, if you have interest in it, what is avalanche theory? You can search the internet and found, yeah, the detail. And if you still don't understand, then I can only say, close your eyes, imagine a parallel world in the future. Most of the offline scenes have been moved online. And even a lot of your childhood fantasies have been added. For example, you are a navigator. You are a navigator and you are a princess. And you can also be a swordsman. Or you are a superpowered Superman, like Marvel. Maybe you are Iron Man, you are Captain America. If you want, everything you can be, everyone you can be, or Superman, right? But in reality, you are a human, a normal human. You cannot do anything of this, right? So this is, I think, why people like metaverse, because you play the role you want to play in that world, live and work while changing the virtual consume you want to wear without anyone laughing at your lunatic. Everyone will have their own imagination in their minds and play the role they wish to play. And second topic is, someone asked me, how big is the track of the metaverse? Oh, I think this question is very good because, will it be a trillion level market? A billion net level, I don't know. But in fact, this market cannot be simply calculated in trillions, but is the creation of an overall online and offline environment for human life and work communication in the future. In this interconnected world, people may have forgotten the concept of online and offline, and all future transactions, employment, social interaction, and work are all happening here. So we will say that GDP, think about GDP. In reality world, what is GDP? And how can you treat GDP? Maybe someone don't know. And they don't want to know, I think, right? So I think metaverse will be a very, very big market. A very, very big market. Out of your imagination. But now, I think it's a lack of some basic technology, right? But you know that blockchain technology is very useful and it's a basic in this industry. Okay. Oh, I think most of you guys from all over the world, right? I see a name from Thailand, right? It's from Thailand? Who is from Bangladesh? Oh, sorry, I don't know where it is. I really don't know. Sorry. Sorry. Let me see the let's see someone asking some questions. Oh, someone said KuCoin is the best. Who said this, huh? The KuCoin is best? I think it is. So you guys don't have any questions? Let's begin our next session, right? Okay. Let's see. Blockchain connect the people, right? Blockchain is really connect the people. You're right. Right. Okay, so let's getting started the next session. Why is everyone paying attention to games and VR? You know that? I think most of you may know something about a film called Ready Player One. It's a movie around 2019. I think most of you guys have watched this movie, right? And this is, I think, the best performance of Metaverse that I think from now on. And most all articles on Metaverse recently mentioned Metaverse game Roblox, which has a market value of more than 40 billion after being listed on the New York Stock Exchange. After it, many game companies announced that they will develop metaverse games and raised a lot of funds. At present, games of the metaverse concept, especially chain games, due to the limitations of technology and practitioners and their rendering, game content and gameplay creation are far behind mobile games and PC games. So this is why I don't like to play Roblox games, because maybe it's something about metaverse and you can earn money, but it's not interesting because it don't have a very good scene and don't have a very good enjoy moment. So I think and chain games need to be distributed on chain. So the you have to know it have a very high latencies, right? So type storage also causes the game to respond slowly, and the experience is not good. Experience is very bad now. Okay, so I think Metaverse has a very long way to go. We can expect it. Okay. So okay, let's start our lesson today. Okay, I'll change the scene back. Okay. So this is our first class about K-line. I think some of you guys don't know what is K-line, but if I use another word, you will know that. Candle or candlestick. You know what is candle or candlestick? Now today, I will teach you what is candle and what's the difference between candle and K-line. Exactly, it's the same meanings. Okay, so before we learn K-line, we have to know what K-line is and what's the function of it. It's the best way to show prices. Yeah, its function is to show price. And how can it and what way can it show prices? Let's see. How do prices work in the market during the day? So we have to see time sharing chart. Remember, time sharing chart is not a K-line chart. It's two different things, but they all can indicate it price changing. in a day or in an hour. See that? This is a time sharing chart. So I'll give you 10 seconds or 20 seconds to watch this scene and understand some of these characters of this chart. Then I will tell you what is it. Okay, so you have watched it. Then let's begin. Let's label some of the important price points. Yeah, this is what I want to share to you guys. If you cannot understand what does this chart mean, you will know with this chart, right? See this? Huh? In this chart, we can see that what is opening price? There are maybe 4 factors, right? Opening price, highest price, lowest price, and closing price. I think it's easy to understand, right? What is opening price? For example, maybe in 12 o'clock a.m., it's the beginning of one day and the marketing begin time. So at 12 o'clock a.m., we always say it's the opening time, and the price at this time is opening price, right? So you know what is opening price? It's at 12 a.m. o'clock. At that time, we are sleeping, maybe, but it's the beginning of the market in one day. Then is the highest price. Highest price means the highest point within today. How can we say the big? Maybe I can give you an example. The opening price is 60,000, and the highest price maybe is 70,000. So 70,000 is the highest price. And the third factor is the lowest price. Lowest price is easy to understand, right? It's the maybe in 6 o'clock or 12 o'clock p.m., the price used to reach a very low price like $50,000, and this would be the lowest price. And the last factor is closing price. Closing price is the opposite of the opening price because it's in 12 p.m. o'clock. Oh, no, 24 p.m. Yeah, 24 p.m. This means that at the end of the market today, what the price is, and it's the closing price. So it's clear, right? Then let's see the next pages. Oh, let's make it into a broken line chart because you know this chart is very not clear to see. These 4 factors, so we use broken line chart to indicate it, to show it. How can I earn at least 4% in every transaction or trade? Oh, sorry, guys. I think your question is everyone want to know about this. I can only tell you now, no one can earn forever. If you want to earn at least 4% in every transaction, it's impossible. Warren Buffett cannot do this, cannot reach this result. I can tell you that. So it's a wrong opinion, okay? And I will tell you a right opinion in the next or the third class. Now let's talk about the K line. You have to learn K line, learn it well, and you can increase your earning percentage, I think. Okay, let's continue, right? About bot trading. Oh, sorry. I can explain it later, but our topic this time is about K-line. You have to learn from basic. If you don't know basic knowledge, you cannot learn some deep knowledge. You know that? Like bot trading, it's a deep knowledge. So we have to be patient. Okay, be patient. Okay, guys, it's broken line chart. Do you see the difference between the broken line chart and time frame chart? Anyone can tell me? Anyone can tell me? How can we make use of opening price and closing price to trade? Oh, I will tell you about this question. Be patient, man. Be patient, man. Okay? We know that broken line chart, we connect opening price to high price, highest price, and high price to lowest price, then lowest price to closing price. We use broken line and connect them, and we make it simple and clear. Then we will know what is K line. Can we make it simpler? Right, we can. We can use K line. And that is what is K line. Dun 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 dun. Okay, guys, have you seen this? It's a negative line, negative K line. What is it? I think I can show you very clear in this page, right? So look at the left of this page. Opening price, lowest price, highest price, closing price. We connect and use broken line. And then this is why I use broken line. See that? Opening price and see that the right things is here. In K line is here. Opening price is here. Then lowest price. Lowest price we use we use the lower edge, lower shadow. It's the lower shadow, a stick. See that? It's a stick, and the lowest point of this stick is the lower present the lowest price. Yes, candlestick. Yeah. Candlestick is K line, right? They are the same, but the different same. And highest price also is a stake, but it's the upper stake, and the highest point of the stake is highest price. Right? See that? Upper shadow and lower shadow, and the highest point, closed point, lowest point, and highest price, the lowest price. And in the middle, it's solid. What is solid? Solid is the difference between opening price and closing price. See that? It's closing price. Closing price is here. It's in the lower edge of the solid. So because we have the price have the difference, so this means we have a solid. So this is a K line made of these four factors, right? So are we clear? Are we clear about this? And this is negative line, remember? And let's see positive line. Oh, see positive line? Opening price, lowest price, highest price, closing price. It's the same with the negative line, but have you guys seen the difference between positive line and negative line? It's an important question I want to ask you. You will understand this lesson if you can identify the positive line and the negative line. Tell me about difference between them. Who knows the difference between them? Tell me. It's easy, I think. If you identify them carefully, you can find the differences. It's easy to find. Come on. Color only? Are you sure it's color? Are you sure the main difference is color? I have to say color differences is one factor, right? It's one difference. Yes, yeah, it's one difference, but it's not the main differences. You have to identify carefully. See the left one, red and green. No, if closing price is more than opening price, then it's green. Great. Naked vase, naked vase, right? Your name, you're right. You find the right answer. Yes. The differences between them is the closing price and opening price. The positive line. Why we call it positive? Because its closing price is much higher than the opening price. See that? Opening price is here. It's in the lower edge of the solid, and the closing price is very high and is on the at the upper edge of the solid, right? But the negative line shows us opening price is here, is higher, but closing price is lower than the opening price. So this means closing price is low, opening price is high. You know that? This is why people give different colors to the positive and negative to identify them. So this is the reason. Opening for green is below closing line. Yep. Yep, you're right. So this is my first question, and some of you have answered it. And I want to ask again, what the differences between negative and positive K line? There are 4 answers, and tell me which one is correct. Tell me. Tell me which one is correct. Hello, what is K line? Oh man, you're late. You're late for the lesson. We are our lesson has come into a middle place. I think you can. I think you can continue to listen, and if you want to learn more, just watch the video after class. I will upload the video on the YouTube. You can watch them, yeah, later. B A B. Right. B is correct. Opening and closing price, right? Okay, so I think most of you guys have known what it is. Great, great. So let's see the second questions. What does A, B, C, D means respectively? Remember, respectively. So you're thinking about 1 or 2 minutes, and I will go to the PS, to the bathroom. So 2 minutes. Wait for me. Okay, guys, let's see your answers, right? Oh, B. I think Most answer is B. Let's see, B is what it is. A is. Oh, are you sure it's B? What is A? Tell me what is A. Does A is lowest price? A is the lowest price or highest price? Please be careful. Pay attention. I have told you about it. Is A lowest price? Come on. Please carefully and answer. Watch this chart, okay? See? A is highest price, right? And B is closing price, right? C is lowest price, right? And D is opening price, right? Okay, so C is the right answer. Good. So you guys have to practice more after class. You can find a chart about Bitcoin or Ethereum, everything. So it's okay, and practice more about identify more about the this what is a negative position and a negative and positive one. Okay. Okay. Let's begin. Next part. And now we put daily K line together for a few months. Will appear what? So this means we will put a lot of daily K line together, and it will made up a few month chart, right? So we will appear like this. Dun 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 dun. So this chart I use the KCS and USDT. It's a one-day chart from KuCoin. We know the KCS, right? It's a KuCoin token, platform token. And because this chart I use an old one, not the recent one. So I don't care about it because we just see the key line here, but not the price or trend. See this? And we put day line together, and we found that it became a line like this. It's a K line chart for one day. What does one day mean? This means every chart, every K line here, every here present one day price moving of KCS. Do you know what I mean? This means from here. Let's see this green K line. This means this line is the opening price here and closing price here. It's very higher than the opening price, right? And the highest price is here. Almost closing price is absolutely the same with the highest price. And let's see another one. Oh, sorry. Another one. This has a very longer lower shadow. This means this is opening price, is closing price, and this is the lowest price. This means the price used to reach a very low level. So you know what this presents, right? Every K line is what presents one day price moving. Okay, and let's start another. If daily K line can be shown like this, then 1 minute, 1 week, or 1 year, 1 hour can be shown like what? It's the same meaning. Same way, like this. Can you guys see that? On the top left of the page, you can see a chart. It's a KCS and USDT, right? But it presents 1 minute. 1M means 1 minute. This means every K line in this chart presents 1 minute, not 1 day. Remember, not 1 day. So if when you watch the chart, you analyze a chart, you have to first know what kind of time frame you are looking, or you have to know this first, or then you have to use the other technology, the technical tools to analyze the trend. So first, you have to know the time frame. It's 1 minute. Look at the right one. It's W. W means 1 week, and every K line in this chart presents 1 week, and this is 1 minute. So you know the differences. It's easy to understand, right? It's easy, right? So let's see the chart below. Wow, it's about 1 hour. You see that there are very many different time frame: 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes to 45 minutes, and an hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours, days, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so you can change whatever you want. If you want to analyze a long-term trend, you can use 1 week or 1 day. I only use 1 day if I want to hold a longer spot. So, and then if I want to have a future trade for a short time, I will use maybe 1 hour, sometimes minutes, 15 minutes. So use different time frame charts when you trade in different time frame. So we got it? Okay, so let's continue. Okay. Let's see the question now. According to the chart, this chart, which is the opening price and the lowest price? Careful about the question now. I mean, which is opening price and lowest price? Give me the answer. Which one do you think is right? I think it's easy, right? C? Does someone tell me C? Any different answers? Any different answers? Who can tell me, who can give me a different answers? I will tell you. C is not correct. C is not correct. Please re-choose, okay? B. Okay, B. A, B. Any different answers? Okay, 10 seconds. If no different answers, I will give you the right answer. No. You can choose only one. It's the single. It's the single choose. Not the multiple choose, okay? Yeah. The right answer is B. A is the opening price, right? It's the beginning of 1 day or this 1 hour or 1 week. And we can see clearly that B is lower than C, lower than D. So how can you say C is the right answer? C is not. So B is the lowest price. Yes, you have to watch carefully and you won't choose the wrong answer, I think. Just B, okay? Just B, not A, B. Just B. Yeah, you won. Okay. So, what's the function of K line in crypto market? What's the function of K-line in crypto markets? I think most of you guys want to know this, yes, because you know what is K-line and what does it make up, and you have to know this function. And this is most important, I think. Oh, so regular arrangement of K-lines can reflect the future trend of the market. What does this mean? I will tell you in the next part how to use K-line to reflect the future trend of the market. Okay, let's change our scene to here. Oh no, here. Let me see. Oh, where is it? Oh, here. Okay, guys. Let's use KCS USDT. Use this chart. Okay, let me zoom this chart. We'll see. Can you see this, guys? I'll see this page, and I'll tell you a little about how to reflect the trend, the future trend. See this? This is the big increasing K line today for the KCS. It's a very long, had a very long solid. What I mean? Its opening price for sorry, I can change one day. It's easy to find, right? Here is the opening price for today, and it's wait, it's about $20, right? This means the opening price is $20, and during today, the highest price used to test $22, right? $22. And after that, how to form an upper shadow? This means, see the closing. This is closing price, right? Closing price tells us it's $21. $21. Oh, why closing price is lower than the highest price? This is what I want to tell you is because when price met $22 and the highest price, right? But the buying strength cannot have continuous strength. This means that they use a lot of money to buy from here and push the price to $22, but they have no enough strength to pull more. And this time, some selling strength began, and they are selling their positions, selling their KCS. This means the price met pressure here, and price getting lower to the closing price, and closing here. So this candlestick, this K line, tell us that now KCS has a very strong buying strength. Yes, but the selling price is not weak because it hit the price here and hit price down to this price level. So we use this K line. We can predict the next day what trend will go in next day. Maybe we'll how to say, we'll have a little bit bullish here and then met resistance here. So this is what I want to tell you. And let's see another example, right? See here. Price used to reach here $15, but the trend sharply drop down, a big drop down, right? Here, big drop down, right? So this means selling strength very strong, very, very strong. So this means you have to notice about the bearish power, and you cannot enter the long positions here because now the selling strength is stronger than the buying strength. Yes, then you can see that dropping again, dropping, continue dropping here, and this is the first bullish K line, positive K line, right? Because it's positive K line. So here, then make pressure, drop down. So how to identify the bottom? I think most of you want to guys how to identify bottom and how to escape from the top. When to escape from the top? I will tell you in the next 2 or 3 classes. I will teach you about this. I promise you. But today we just you just digest these understand these simple definition. I think is important, right? After you know what this presents, and we can learn more about the K line and pattern about K line. Yes. Okay. Let's change the scene back to our PowerPoint. Here, right? Here. Okay. This is what I want to tell you in next class. What is regular range of K lines? I think next class is the most important, and I hope all of you guys to participate in the next lesson. Don't miss it, because after you know what is K-line is, and if you want to be a good trader, you have to know what is regular arrangement of K-lines. These patterns are very important to help you to judge the future trend and help you to enter the market and make you earn profit. Morningstar, look at the page. We'll easily to tell something about it today. Just tell you a little. Well, next class, maybe next week. Next week, I think, yeah, you can notice the announcement. Yeah, we will have next session, right? When next class? When will be next session? Oh, maybe next week. We will have indeed, right? And let's see, Morning Star, bullish in golf, and Evening Star, bearish in golf. If you guys who have interested in these theories, these patterns, you can learn something online before our class. Firstly, and when I teach you about these theories and these definitions, you can understand easily. Okay. Okay. We'll share later and observing the regular arrangement of K lines to predict rise and fall of the future price. All right, guys, you can relax and let's begin our very, very exciting part of this lesson. Is the red package session. See that? We will have 100 USDT red packets and will be randomly distributed to users who provided questionnaires before our live broadcast. This means some of you guys may serve some, give some questions before in our service. I think most of you knows, right? And I chose 5 of them among them. Why I chose these 5? Because there are more than 150 questions someone gave me, but I think I will choose some very important questions about this class. And this doesn't mean the other questions are not good, but just I think some questions can be answered in the next class. I think is very good, but not suitable for this class, right? So, okay, I think I will select these 5 people, and each person will receive 20 USDT, means $20, right? And these 5 questions is on the page, and after every questions there are usernames and UID. So each of you notice which one is yours. Okay, don't miss your packet. Don't miss it. 20 USDT. So let's begin to answer the first questions. All right, my question is that how beginners can trade risky-free, and is future trading good for them? This question is asked by Regav Singho. Regav Singho. Sorry, maybe I can't I could pronounce it well. So this guy, please, this friend, please notice this question. Okay. And so let me tell you the answer. As a beginners, if you want to be a risky-free trader, you have to know K-line first. Yeah, that's right. You have to know K-line first, and then only know technical tools, technical analyzing. It's not enough. Yeah, I'm serious. With someone guy, I think, oh, maybe after I learn what is K-line and what is morning star pattern and evening star pattern, what is bottom, what is the top, how to identify a top and how to identify a bottom, I can be a good trader. I can predict a future market, right? But I'll tell you, it's wrong. You be a risky-free trader, you have to control your risk, control your mind. This is most important. And the technical analyzing can only be the second place. Yes, it's my experience tell me. Yeah. So I think you have to learn how to control yourself. Yeah, and don't be cautious and be patient when you're trading. This is very important. And after that, if you have some technology about trading, how to identify some patterns or some converse about trend, maybe you can be a good trader and you can earn profit. And is future trading good for them? I can only tell you no. Do not touch future trading if you are a beginner. Remember that. Don't be a future trader if you are a beginner. Why I say that? Because we know that future trading means you have to use leverage to trade, right? Use leverage means you are borrowing money from platform or other traders, right? This means borrowing. You're borrowing money and to trade. Maybe if you're earning money, you're earning profit, you can earning more than your own capital, right? Because you're borrowing more. But if you are losing, remember, if you are losing, this means that you will lose more except your own capital. This means you're a borrower. You are a borrower. You have to earn money and earn more money to give to others, to lenders, right? So it's a high risk performance. So beginners don't touch future trading. Just spot trading is enough. So, okay, guys, and I know you have other questions, and I will answer you later. There are many good red packets in the next part, so don't leave our room. The second part is how K-line trade gave us benefit. Does it has any disadvantages? Okay, I will answer this question. So the user who served this give this questions. Please pay attention. I will answer your questions. I think K-line because we have learned this lesson. After we learn it, we know that K-line can predict what price moving in one day or a time frame. So this can make us can predict the future trend. This is benefit, I think. And does it has any disadvantages? I think also have, as because K-line can only present the price moving in the past. In the past means it's it can't follow the market on time. So everything you did is to predict, but predict has a failing opportunities, right? So I think you cannot judge trend only use K-line. This is what I tell you. And then let's see the question 3. Okay. Oh, this is asking from Rafa. Okay, this friend, please pay attention. I will answer these questions. How can I identify when the price has reached the support or resistance zone? It's a very, I think, very difficult technology to you guys, but I will simply say something about it today. And I will talk more about it in the future after you have learned more. Okay? So let's see some chart. Let's see some charts. I'll change the page. Change the page. Okay, back here. Okay. Wait. Back. Okay. So you can see that here I put support levels here to KCS. Why I put it here? Someone will ask me about it, right? Short-term, sorry, it's short-term support. Yeah, that's what I wrote. Short-term support, because when you want to identify what is support and resistance, you have to watch back the history, see if this price level used to be a resistance or a support to the price or to the trend, it possibly can be a new support here now. So you know what I mean? Because here, see the price here? This support, this price level used to be a resistance here. Give the price resistance and the price met pressure and drop down. So it's a very good, a very strong resistance here. And after breaking above this resistance, the resistance changed into the support. So this is why I put this support here, because it's used to be a resistance. And after breaking it, it changed into a support. So you guys can use it when you identify a chart. And look at this, look at here. This is, I put the midterm support because after, see that? After price breaking breaking this support. No, this price level here, and see that supported by this price level. This means this price level is effectiveness, right? So this is a very easy way to use to identify what is support and pressure resistance. I know maybe some of you guys cannot fully understand this, but I just tell you some simple theory about it, and I will tell you more, and you will understand more in the future class after you learn a lot. Okay, let's change back to the page. Okay, let's begin question 4. This is from a friend called Mojib Khan. Oh, this guy made from Middle East, I think. How do we know if the motion of the K line was in a downward motion or upward motion while closing? So it's easy, I think, right? Because if the closing price is higher than the opening price, this means it's a upward motion, right? And if it's in opposite, if the closing price is lower than the opening price, it's a downward motion indeed. It's easy, right? And this question is very, very good for our lessons, right? Okay, let's see the question 5. Send it there from this friend. And how to find out fake out when following K line strategy? I think if you want to know what is fake out, you have to be patient and wait for more, maybe 1 day or 2 days after the breaking, and you will find that it's fake or true, because fake breaking will make the trend back to the previous area. And the true breaking means after breaking the recent area, the trend never come back again. So this is use a chart to find fake and true K line. Yeah, we always use it in breaking market. Yeah, because like if for example, if Bitcoin breaking and creating new high to $70,000, right? And this time it's really breaking, but is it a true breaking or fake breaking? We have to wait for 1 day or 2 days, and after if the price can stabilize on the previous high, for example, now the highest price is $67,000. If the price can stabilize on $67,000, this means this breaking is a true breaking. But if the retracement drop down and falling below $67,000, it's a fake breaking, because after breaking above and breaking below again. So you know what it means? Okay. Okay. The first 5 questions I have answered, and please, these guys who gave me the questions, who served the questions, please just wait and join our Telegram group. Administrators will give you the red packet reward. Okay? Don't miss it. And now let's begin our last session. I will randomly select 5 questions from the audiences and in the living room. Each will receive a reward of 20 USDT. Okay, guys, and pay attention, please. Every one of you can give me a question. Give me your question, right? And I will choose them from among your questions. And 5 of you questions can be chosen, and you can receive a reward of 20 USDT. Come on, guys. You have any questions about our class, just ask, okay? Don't miss the reward, okay? It's $20. Okay, I will see who will be the first one give me the question. Maybe you will have $20. Come on. Come on. I know you have questions, right? Just tell me. Give me the question, okay? Okay, I see. Mercy DZ, right? I can see your question. When and how to enter a trade following K-line strategy? Okay. Simply say, if after closing time, this K line is a negative one. This means the bearish is stronger than bullish, and it's not good time to enter to buy, right? So if in the after the closing moment and the closing price is much higher than the opening price, maybe it's stronger, and you can consider to enter the market. It's in theory, right? So there's a very easy way to identify a trend. You have to know this K line is strong or weak. You understand? If it's strong, maybe means tomorrow the stronger trend can be continued. But if it's very weak, the solid of the K line is very big. If it's a negative one, maybe tomorrow the bearish will continue. So at this moment, you have to wait for the bottom and then enter the market. Okay, Mercy DZ, you are the first lucky audience, and I chose you will earn 20 USDT. And join our Telegram group, and you will receive your reward. And I will show you the address of the group at the end of the class. And then let's see the second lucky man. Well, let's see. It's this guy's. I want you, Belo Mustafa. Yeah, I will choose your questions. Is margin trading still risky for beginners or not? I can say this to you. Someone think margin trading is very different between future trading, right? And they think maybe margin trading is risky-free trading, but future trading is leverage trading and it's high risky, right? But I'll tell you that no, margin trading also use leverage, also include leverage factors, and it's the same meanings with future trading because you have to borrow money when you're trading. The difference between them is that maybe in margin trading, the lender maybe not platform, maybe the user, and in the future trading is user not platform. So just the resource of the lender difference between them. And the second one is maybe the margin trading's risk is much lower than the future trading because the leverage of margin trading is lower. It's very lower because maybe 3 leverage or 5 leverage is at the top. But if you use future trading, 50 leverage or 100 leverage is okay. But to beginners, I think no leverage you have to use. Don't use leverage. Just play sport. No leverage. Use leverage means high risk. There didn't exist a risk free. Maybe you play sport is it's only have it's also have risk. You know that? Okay. So let's choose the third one. How is good or bad news reflected on what types of analysis can provide me with useful information? What types of analysis can provide me with useful information? This man, Martin 9087. Okay, I will answer your questions. What types of analysis can provide me with useful information? I will tell you that many types of analysis. Maybe sometimes you use technical analysis, like what I will teach you in the later class, like some keyline patterns, like what I showed previously, like a morning star, evening star, and bullish engulf and bearish engulf. They're all technical tools to help you to trade. They're useful. They're useful if you can use it well. You can earn money. But if you use other informations or analysis tools, you can also earn money, like fundamentals. If some traders, some analysts, they just want to always see some fundamentals. Like now, some guys found that maybe in recent days, metaverse is very popular, right? It's very popular, and you think, maybe I have to buy something about some coins about metaverse, right? So at this time, they didn't use any technical tools. They just use fundamental tools. They just find some useful information, right? Like metaverse is popular, or layer 1 popular, layer 2 is popular, Ethereum is popular, or Bitcoin is maybe popular, something like this. So this is the second way to use to trade. Okay, so let's see the fourth questions. Okay, this guys, I will answer your questions. Anthony Vergara. Okay. Is it possible to predict the next candlestick by looking at the previous candlestick? on an hourly chart or daily chart. I think if you want to predict truly or a big possibility to what you want to predict true, use a long time frame is good. I think it's better because if you use day chart, it's not easy to converse if the trend will converse. It's not easy because you know the trend has continuous characters. But if you use 1 hour or 1 minute, it's very hard to predict the next K line or candlestick because it's so short. The time frame is so short. This in this market, it's very hard to predict price trend if you use a very little time frame because the fluctuation is very big and sharply. You cannot. It's hard to predict. So this is what I recommend you is if you want to, if you're a beginner, you want to predict a candlestick, you use previous stick. Better use a big time frame like 1 day or 1 week or 4 hours is okay. But less than 1 hours, I don't recommend. Okay? Good. So you are the fourth lucky audience. And let's see which is the last one, the last audience, which is the lucky man. How much margin I should take in future trading? Oh, this is a Lily Schwer Prasad Lochin. So you have heard me about it? Lily Schwer Prasad Lochin. How much margin I should take in future trading? Oh, I think it's a good question, and I don't think you have a very fixed answer because every trader has its own margins, their own leverages. Because maybe if you use 500, no. If you use 5 leverages and you earn profit, you always earn profit with 5 leverages, and you may think, oh, five leverages, my lucky number, and I use it. I always use it, and it's my best leverage, the best margin. But if to other traders, some traders maybe use 10 leverage and they can also earn money. Maybe 10 is very good. So I think the best margin you should use is you have to suitable for yourself. Don't how to say, don't follow others. For example, when you heard about your friends, he earned a lot of money using a 100 leverage, and you will think, oh, maybe I can try a 100 leverage, and maybe I can earn. Don't use this method because maybe it's not suitable for you, just suitable for him. So to the beginners, especially to the beginners, my suggestion is don't use too big leverage. Better less than 3. Okay? 3 to 1 is okay. If you are a very how to say, panic trader, no more than 5. Okay? No more than 5 leverage. Okay, guys. I have chosen 5 questions from the audiences, and I hope you guys, I hope my answers have solved your problems, right? And don't remember to join our TG group. Okay, this is our QR code of our TG group, Telegram group, and I hope you can join it because I will also in this group every day, and I will write some good informations or some trading signals, some opinions about the market every day. And if you want to trade, be a good trader, you want to learn more about the crypto market, please join it. Don't miss it. It's a good group. And for users who are inconvenient to scan this code, please click on the TG address on the YouTube live broadcast description page. Okay, guys, see the description page. Okay, there are your the TG address here, and don't miss it. And these 20 guys who earned $20 reward, please also join our Telegram group, and the reward is there. Don't miss it. Okay, and okay, in the next lesson, we will teach more about different keyline pattern. Remember, it's pattern, not a single keyline. It's a pattern, and it's very important and useful when you are trading. So pay attention to our lessons and join our group. There will tell you what time is the next lesson. Okay? Okay, guys, if you have no questions, that's for today. And I'm very grateful and thankful. Thank you, guys, and listening to my lessons. And you guys give many questions to me, and I'm happy with that. I hope I can solve you more questions in the future, and all of you guys can earn profit in this crypto world. And thank you, guys. Let's see next lesson. Goodbye.